Hi folks, welcome back to Meta Box Tutorials. Today, we're going to use Meta Box and Kadence to display the latest posts in a section on the homepage. For this practice, I have a homepage built by Kadence, for example like this. On this page, I'll create a section to display some latest products. Here I take the restaurants as an example for the posts as well as for the products. Each restaurant will be a post in a custom post type. Only the 6 latest restaurants will be displayed in this section. The name of the restaurant and its image are the title and the featured image of the post. Further, you may want to add some extra information for your product. I also have something here such as logo, voucher, and address. This extra information will be saved in the custom fields. As mentioned, I'll use Kadence to build the homepage in the section. I also use its Pro version. To create a custom post type and custom fields, we have Meta Box here. Moreover, we'll need some advanced features of Meta Box, so you can download its extensions individually or use Meta Box all in one. Here are the extensions that we will use in this practice. MB Custom Post Types to create a custom post type for the product, I mean restaurant in this case. And Meta Box Builder to have an UI on the backend to create custom fields easily. Let's create a post type for the restaurants. I'll use custom fields to save some extra information for the restaurants. It's optional. Let's create them one by one. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as Post Type. And select Restaurant to apply these fields to this post type. Go to the Post Editor, you will see all of the created custom fields. Then, just fill in the information. Here are some restaurants that I created as examples. Let's edit the homepage to create the section for the latest restaurants. First, add a heading to name it. To display the wanted posts, we need the query loop. Just choose a template. Then you will see some default blog posts display. Their order is by date and descending. It means that the latest post will be displayed first and then the older ones. You can check the date here for it. That's exactly what we want. Now, our work is just changing the posts from blog posts to restaurants. Before that, you can remove some information from the post if you don't want to display. To change the posts to the restaurants, move to the Post Type section on the right sidebar. Choose your post type from the list. In this case, it's Restaurant. You see, the titles are replaced by the restaurants' names. Now, just get some information for the restaurants. Add the advanced image block to display the restaurant's image. There is an icon here to enable dynamic data for this block. Click on it once again. Then choose the feature image from the list. Add a paragraph block for the voucher information. Click on this button as well. Choose Post Custom Field since the voucher information is saved in a custom field. In this section, instead of choosing a field as usual, we should choose the Custom Input option. This is because the voucher field is the checkbox list type, and I want to get the label of the selected option from the field. Fill in the ID of the voucher field in the Custom Meta Key section. The voucher information will not display, just a text like this display instead. You will see the right information on the front end, so keep moving. Add another paragraph block for the address. It also is saved in a custom field, so add dynamic data as well. Choose Post Custom Field, and then choose Address. The logo will be the same with the feature image, so add an advanced image block. Add dynamic data for it. Choose Post Custom Field, and select the name of the field that saves the logo. Easy. If you have more kinds of information for your products, just follow this way to display them. I'm setting the number of posts to display in this section, as well as change the layout to the grid style. Go to the homepage on the front end. You can see all of the information of the restaurant displayed correctly. Go back to edit the homepage. Add some classes for the blocks in case you want to use some CSS to style them. You also can change some settings of each one. I uploaded all of this code on GitHub, you can refer to it. Then, you will see the new look of the section. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to try some other interesting things, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.